everyone, I miss seeing your beautiful faces, but I don't want you to lose out on the enthusiasm of learning about plants as we move to virtual learning. And so today I am welcoming you to the very first installment of a show I like to call Dr. Butler Walks Around Her Yard and Talks About Plants. So let's get started. We're going to start today over here on a plant that should look somewhat familiar to you, known as the moss. We can see that this moss is growing on this hard rock. Remember that mosses are not vascular plants, so they don't have true roots. Instead, they have rhizoids, which allow them to attach to this rock and absorb water and minerals from the environment when it is present. Now, what we're seeing here is the gametophyte stage. So remember that what you're observing is actually haploid tissue. And I'm really hoping that we'll be able to see the sporophyte development of this moss as we continue on in the semester. So hopefully that'll hook you and keep you watching. Let's go to our next plant. Now, what we're seeing here is an interesting response to the environment. I have no idea what type of grass this is because I didn't plant it, but we're definitely seeing that these two different genotypes of grass are responding to the environment differently. Here we have this grass that is remaining dormant, and over here we have this grass that has woken up from the winter time. Grass doesn't die during the winter when it turns brown, it just remains dormant. So clearly this grass has some other environmental requirement in order to turn green again, and it's just waiting for that proper environmental condition, while this type of grass has already met those requirements. So another exciting development for you to stay tuned for. Our last step is going to be looking at here, my pear tree. We can see that there are small little flower buds that are starting to emerge. This tree produces beautiful white flowers in the springtime, and I'm just really excited to watch it bloom. My window that I record lectures in is right over there, and so I get to watch it all spring. Now, I have started to see some squirrels trying to eat the flower buds, and I'm very upset about that. All right, that is the wrap up of the first episode of Dr. Butler Walks Around Her Yard and Talks About Plants. Let me see what plants you've been seeing in your yard. Stay safe.